I'd like to invite you to my workshop, okay? So today it was a bit of a taste of what the type of English that you need to get a 7+, okay? But I will be delivering a workshop on the 24th of June at 7:15 p.m. Brisbane time, okay? To tell you all about, okay, the type of English that you need to get a 7+, okay? So this workshop will be pretty cool. All right, and I do believe that after watching this workshop and of course putting into practice everything we discuss, you will definitely be able to get a higher score on the IELTS exam, on the writing part of the IELTS exam, okay? So join me on the 24th of June at 6 p.m. Sorry, 7:15 p.m. Okay, and if you're watching this on Instagram, the link will be in the bio. If you're watching this on Facebook, the link will be in the description. And if you're watching this on YouTube, the link will be on the description too.